This is the new AI-assisted MUCAR 682 OBD2 scanner. So this is a bidirectional scanning tool. It's great for all car systems, and you can do active tests, car diagnosis. You could have up to 20 plus resets, and this is a lot of power in a pretty simple to use package. So whether you're a home shade tree mechanic or even make money diagnosing and fixing cars, this is a valuable tool. Now, my first impressions is out the box. It's very simple. It comes with your Type C power cable. It comes with the car adapter cable and the unit. So basically, that's all you need to get going. It came charged. I booted it up. I didn't update it yet, but plug and play. This is the real deal as far as plug and play. I attach it to the car. It searched for the VIN automatically, or you could put it manually, however you like. And I was ready to go, seeing codes, which I easily cleared because I had a few codes for my low tire level, and it was in the memory, so I cleared that out and started from scratch. So it gives me all the information that I need and probably what a professional mechanic needs to do a lot of repairs. So no more guessing what's wrong with your car. You could go into your mechanic well informed. This way you're less likely to get ripped up, or you could be on the same page as far as what needs to be done to repair the vehicle. So this has 20 plus practical reset functions as far as airbag reset, throttle matching, oil reset, which is a big deal in some of these modern cars, and the injectors, seat calibration, window calibration, TPMS reset, ABS bleeding. So you could do these repairs and not have to rely on going to the dealer to have your codes reset, and that's a big help. Now it's touch screen, very nice, very responsive, and you also have the dials and buttons on the side, and super easy to use. The screen is nice and bright, 6.2 inches. You have 28 plus languages and 150 plus vehicle brands. Be sure you check your brand is available before you purchase. It has lifetime free updates. The core of this is a 4-core 1.8 gigahertz CPU, very powerful. It went from screen to screen without any hesitation. 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM. So this is a very powerful unit in the palm of your hands. I personally keep these types of scanners around my house all the time because it comes in handy, especially if you tinker yourself, especially even if I don't do the repair myself, I can go in more informed to the mechanic, which is always great. So whether you're a serious do-it-yourselfer or have a workshop, you're set to go with the scanner. Buy with confidence. It's a powerful tool.